waiting around.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here. I am in the process of getting back into the swing of things with life and work and being home. I did work a couple days this week. It is Sunday. So today is going to be a little bit more of that, like getting back into the routine of meal prepping. I got to go get groceries. Unfortunately, I'm like the tail end of time to get my biometric screening for my job. So I am on my way out the door to go get that at the Minute Clinic and maybe do a little shopping in Target. I'm not gonna lie, I have a headache and I'm very tired because I've had to fast for this. So I'm gonna get ready to go and I'll take you with me to Target, Walmart, and then we'll come home and do what we can for meal prep. And then hopefully, energy-wise, I can get outside and potentially clean up the yard, maybe mow. It is a hot mess out there since the little tropical storm came through. I got lots of branches down I got to pick up, and the grass unfortunately needs to be mowed again when I just did it. But I do not want to let it get out of control. So I'm gonna get ready to go. We'll get to Target.
For you to call back, pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be, 'cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting, because of all of the lies. Yeah, you
Alright, well, Target and everything went well, I feel like it went faster than I thought, but maybe I better just go get my groceries at Walmart. I was gonna run home, but it's already 10:18 and my pickup time was 11, and lately they've been ready ahead of time. So I'm thinking we better just go over there because I still gotta stop at the gas station.
don't need to disguise your face, your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay, it's okay.
I'm gonna put groceries away and then I'll kind of show you the stuff I got from Target. There's not much, but just a few things.
It's building up inside my heart. The clock is ticking, the time is up. The way I feel it, I think it's done. Waiting around for you to call back. Pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us.
I'm gonna go ahead and go put the bags back in the car, move it, and then I want to start prepping my weekly coffee. I didn't do any of that this morning simply because I couldn't eat and I didn't want to entice myself to have something. So I want to get going on that, and I want to get the eggs in the oven for my breakfast sandwiches because, again, I need to prep that. I haven't done that in a while.
I wanna find out now, 'cause you got me running all over this town, 'cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting, because of all of the lies. Yeah, you don't need to disguise your face, your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay, it's okay.
quickly, I'm gonna show you what I got from Target, and then I wanna get on to the breakfast sandwiches. First off, laundry basket. I really wanted a second one to put towels in, so if I wash towels first or second, I have a basket to move it where I'm gonna fold it. Plus it keeps it contained. I don't have to worry about stuff falling off the dryer. Second thing I got, a birthday gift for my friend's son who just turned 1, a birthday card, and then a gift bag. I already had tissue paper left over from when I was home and did my grandpa's birthday present. I got some chai latte mix. It sounded good. I haven't had one in a while. I got some grenadine. I did not realize I had some in the fridge, but there's not a lot left, so maybe it's a good thing I bought it. Because I do have a mocktail, summer mocktail video that will be coming. I know it's so late in the game. I planned to do it in July, but because of everything that was going on while I was home, I did not have time to film, even though I took all the stuff home with me. So, getting the ingredients together for that. Hopefully gonna try and film it no later than next weekend, and I'll put it up. But you know I love my mocktails. Toothpaste, I'm almost out, needed more. I got orange juice, and then those like snack packs that are similar to the Sargento balance breaks. I got, sorry, the dog's trying to eat. Good and Gather ones. I got 2 packs of that to have as snacks, and then I also got some of the Good and Gather organic apple peach fruit puree pouches. I just thought this might be good when I need a quick snack item when I'm working. So something like that I could like drink while I'm on the phone. Nobody would know. So good work snack. I went ahead and got that. So I'm gonna quickly put all this stuff away so I can start on breakfast sandwiches. Get the eggs in the oven and start toasting English muffins.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do.
I'm gonna go eat my mac and cheese, probably watch church and relax for a little bit. I think I'm gonna call it on the meal prep other than my dinner later, and potentially get outside and get that yard work done. I know it's gonna be hot, but it's gotta be done. So I will check in with you when I get done eating.
So now I'm poking out my head through open windows, 'cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight.
I had lunch and I watched church. Very good message. I am going to head outside and start picking up branches and trying to get the yard mowed. I don't know if I really will film any of it because I just kind of want to get it done today. I really didn't plan on showering twice either, but I want it done so tomorrow I can just have a very relaxing day. Just thought I'd show you what we're working with. I don't know if you can tell how tall the grass is, and I mowed this less than a week ago. It's just insane how quick it's growing. And then over here, excuse the AC, you can see I got a bunch of branches that I'm gonna have to clean up. like I said, I'm gonna get to this. I'm not gonna show you, I'm just gonna do it. I'll show you the after. But it's just a lot of work to mow as it is, and throwing in the filming it is a lot more to add. So let's get this done. It is so hot, you can see the sweat just dripping down me. And I am drinking a liquid IV, trying to stay hydrated. But this is probably half as bad as it was when I got back. Granted, my brother did mow for me while I was gone out of town, so it wasn't horrible. It's just they've been getting so much rain that the grass has gotten really thick. So even if it's not like too high, it's just really hard to cut through. So I've done the front yard, I did this back part, and then I've kind of cut like my lines for my boxes. So I'm gonna work on this side and then woe to that side. I'm not doing it all the way up there because it's not bad enough to need it. And I was hoping to get away without weed whacking, but it looks like I'm gonna have to in that box. So I'm officially done with the yard work. I'm gonna go take a shower so you can see I mowed. And then on a whim, I decided to go ahead and take the pull frame area out so I don't have to keep weed whacking around it. 1 or 2 good rains and this should fill itself in. I'm not gonna worry about it because every time it rains anyway, the soil runs downhill. So, and I don't put up a swimming pool anymore, so it's kind of pointless. I'm freshly showered. It's about 4:45. I'm gonna take a break for a little bit, watch a couple YouTube videos, and then probably go start on dinner, which will be / a little bit of prep work. I'm having tacos tonight, so pretty easy for the most part. I just gotta do it. But when I make ground beef, I cut it in half and do another half for a different meal, so I'll at least cook it and put it in the fridge and then make the rest of it on Tuesday. So long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen, and when it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. Want me to say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. You want me to say something? Dinner's ready. I'm done for the day. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else but relax because I did do a lot. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, watching me try to get back into routines and getting caught up with meal prep. As always, I hope everybody has a blessed day. Maybe we should talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long.